saying that I have done better this time because I was informed that I should be filming landscape so that you can get a better view of the world. This is inside of the Mandalay Bay. Y'all see my face, but when I came in here the band was jamming, so I figured I might have to do a little bit. This is the lobby to my hotel. Look at this. They get it. Ow, ow, get it, ow. She is rocking. She is rocking. Yeah. When we came earlier, there was people up and dancing, and when we came back, they were on break. We are leaving. Oh, there's my hotel right there, the Delano. And this is where they do the One show, the Michael Jackson, the One. For all my MJ fans, look at that. Look at Michael. Excuse my face, I have no makeup on. I refuse to put on any until it's time for me to get dressed. I've lost Dewey. I have no idea where he is. Oh, there he is. He is inside. And this is the One. Hi. Boutique. Oh, sorry guys. There it goes. I know that if my cousin is watching this, she is freaking all the way out because we went to see the This Is It movie together, and when I tell you, honey, we sat there and cried like babies. And when I got here and had to walk through here, it was tough. It's always tough for me. This is my favorite hotel in Vegas, but just because I have to walk past all this Michael, it just does me in. So it's a lot. I haven't even gotten past the end. Like my plan was to show you so much more. It took so much out of me to do Michael. Well, and there you go. You get you some Vegas. Get you some Vegas.
Numbers. That's where you go bet on the games and stuff.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, they got the odds. All the odds are up
Oh,
there.
is that?
Those are the Vegas odds up there on that board.
Man, I can't do it.
Yeah.
I cannot do it. I came all the way here and left my makeup. Yes.
Yep.
Further, I did. So we are headed to Sephora, which I love and live by. And we're gonna go to Sephora and grab me some makeup, and then we are going to get food because I'm hungry. We're hungry.
Yes.
And I said I was going to gamble this time, y'all. You know, I'm not a gambler. I do not gamble, but I said I was going to take $20, play the nickel slots, and see if I win. I feel like I'll be okay if I lose $20. Anything other than that is catastrophic to me. So I'm off to get food and makeup. And I will see you guys back when I am beat to the gods and dressed for the show. Soul Train Awards 2017. Here we go. Make it to the Excalibur because I want to eat at Schlotzsky's. Tell me that's not extra. When I tell you you cannot get away from Michael Jackson in Vegas, honey, Michael is alive and well in Vegas.
Hi, how are you guys?
Good, how are you?
We're going inside. Come here, give me a welcome gift for you guys.
Well, we short of time.
Okay, good.
Come here.
Oh no, we're here for the Soul Train Awards, so we're just coming for the show. Yes, thank you so much. That's it. That's right.
See, I tried to get us a quick out, but unfortunately, my loving wife wanted to engage.
Well, I don't want to be mean.
You didn't have to be mean. I was already mean for you. So it was already a wrap. And you encouraging me. I just gave him false hope. That's all it was. Just false hope. Just out here giving false hope to people.
Sorry. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna ride on that roller coaster one day. All right, we are in the Excalibur, and I'm about to find the food court. Find me Schlotzsky's. Super excited. Okay, yeah, gotta go because I'm with the timekeeper over here. Oh, I just let y'all get a little bit of the Excalibur before I go away. This is where I used to stay when I first started coming to Vegas all the time, babe. And this is where we went to Dick's Last Resort, and I was telling you about it. This is where we stayed for Jones' what do you call it? Bachelorette thingamajig. And then there's...
You're going to pass it. You can get on the second.
I can get it? Oh, okay.
Dick's Last Resort behind
Yeah.
you? No. Tilt down.
I don't know why. I'm not a great camera person for angles and stuff. It is not my forte, honey. I just know how to direct. I just know what I want. I'll tell you, and I need a camera person to get it for me. All right, guys. Gotta go. Guys, guess what? I've eaten. I'm not hungry anymore. That's so exciting. But now we are walking on the strip. Trying to get to Sephora before I need to get back and get dressed because this is about time to start getting dressed. Let me come this way because I was told I was little. So is that.
It's on the escalator now.
Huh?
On the escalator.
Well, I can't.
Well, I see what you're saying.
What the? I was like, I can't keep
you're doing
up.
It right. You're doing it right.
Thank you. Thanks. Let me get a little bit. It's beautiful out here, though. Let me show y'all some background. He asked for our food. He's back. He can have it.
Okay. Cool.
It's my food. He asked for it. He's hungry. It's Schlotzsky's, guys. I don't ever get to eat it. It's the ultimate sacrifice. You're welcome. No problem. It's only half because it's what I had left over and it's my drink. Okay. All right. No problem. Oh. Yeah, because he wouldn't wake up.
Yeah.
Guys, it's the ultimate sacrifice. I love Schlotzsky's. They don't have one in LA. It's the only place I get to eat it, and now it's gone. Well, You have to be nice. You have to do things for people. I at least got to eat, right? He said he hadn't eaten in a while. So that's what counts. It's just crazy that you can be out here and just be hungry like that. Because it's so different when you think people, I'm just sure in the background, when someone's like begging you. Oh, we staying down here, right? Yeah, I'm there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we just gotta go straight.
When people are begging for like money and stuff, it's different. Well, you know, I give my money up too. But when you hungry, it just does something to me. Because I know what it feels like. Not because I can't get nothing to eat, people. That's not what I'm saying. Just because I know what it feels like to be hungry and it's not a good feeling. Oh, we should. Want to go ride the roller coaster?
Nope. Not right now. I don't want to ride the roller coaster right now. We're on a mission.
We on a mission, dissing all the opposition MCs. It's my butt y'all kissing because I desire. Hi, old school salt and pepper. Y'all wasn't ready. Guys, so y'all are missing it. So everybody's trying to stop us on the street. This guy is like a beast. He's like, no, no, no. We gotta go. Can't do it, can't stop. Look at that face, this is serious.
We sit here and talk to everybody trying to stop us. We're gonna be late for everything. We're gonna get to the Soul Train Awards 45 minutes late.
No, we're not.
Yes. Yes, we would. Because we still gotta go back and get changed.
Okay.
Put on some clothes.
Okay. We're almost there. This is so funny. The walk is everything. Because this guy is so serious. Next time, I'm going to get it for y'all.
Yeah,
Y'all
look,
need to
I already
see
got these. I already got these things. I don't even know what they are. Free dinner. I got free dinner, but guess what? I'm not even going to be here to enjoy this free dinner. I'm going to start passing out stuff that I get. Hey, you want free dinner, guys? I got 2 coupons for some free dinner. It's a steakhouse. I'm just going to start promoting other people's stuff. Go ahead, go to the steakhouse. Go to the steakhouse. Hey, here you go. Here you go. Matter of fact, you're welcome.
Guys, I'm here just as a tattletale because we were getting on the elevator and somebody behind us like coughed like like it was terrible, and we didn't want to ride with him, right?
You should have seen the face that she made.
But this guy, here, take the key and open the door. So this guy pushes the thing real fast and then starts pushing.
I just pressed it one time. I pressed the close button one time. One time.
So they wouldn't get on the elevator with us.
Nobody wanted to be on an elevator with somebody that's coughing and sneezing.
It was gross though.
Right? You wouldn't want to do it, so don't force me to do it.
Guys.